Prepare yourselves to see something magnificent. Ladies and gentlemen, Spectrum PLA Silk Rose Gold. My name is Rafał and today I will present to you some 3D models I've printed using this filament. I must say they are a quite good pick for that color. I say this every time I present silk filament. Print it slow and hot to get a nice shiny effect. I suggest printing the outer wall at 30 mm per second with a 230 degrees Celsius nozzle. The max flow of this filament should be around 15 cubic millimeters per second, so don't go too fast. First, I've printed this balloon-like dog that looks like it's straight from a kid's birthday party. You can already notice that this is not an obvious pink. The rose shade is very subtle. Using a special compound, we made it very shiny. That's why we have gold in the name of the filament. The second 3D model are these carabiners. Mixed with black PLA high speed to create this cool look with a deer emblem. There is no rule that you need to print carabiners in only camo colors. Remember to check the description to get these models. PLA is quite stiff for a carabiner, but it works. For someone who loves those colors, it will be a perfect choice. The third model are these funny little Stanley cups, scaled down to act as a keychain. So if you are a coffee lover, or just love using your cup, this will be a nice manifestation to show your appreciation. Or just have it because it's cute. Next up is a small camera keychain, aka an Instax. But this is something more than a keychain. Printed in a few parts, you can cut out your favorite picture and put it inside. Once assembled, push the top button to show your instant picture. If you use a picture at the proper time, you can prank your friends into thinking it's really working. I printed the outside shells vertically for more detail and shine. Overall, it looks cool in my opinion. If you are a fan of wizardry, you can print this collapsible wand. It's a bit twisted, but it shows exactly how shiny our material is. Expanded by sudden move and twisted against the light to see all the magic colors comes from rose gold PLA silk. It was quite easy to print and quite fast. No assembly required. Try it yourself! Let's go to the last model for today. This took me quite a few hours to make, but the effect is amazing. Lilac flowers made by bovine blitz. There are around 45 flowers, one green stem and a vase printed with a 0.25 mm layer height and fuzzy skin set to 0.15 mm distance and 0.15 mm depth. Using our wood PLA ebony black gives it a premium look that you can't achieve with different materials. I tried to bend the flowers using boiling water and a heat gun. But it turns out that boiling water works much better and it's safer for the PLA and my fingers. A small amount of glue to put it together and voila! Amazing display flowers with a one-of-a-kind silk filament. I hope you enjoyed watching this presentation and now you know what to print with our awesome rose gold shiny PLA from Spectrum Filaments. That's all for today. Remember to subscribe and leave a comment if you like it or not. See you in the next video.